So in this episode we're travelling pretty much through the Pilbarra, so we go from Wiluna, we have a little look around at the canning stock route and the gun barrel. Didn't do the trips but had a little play. Came across to Megathera and then up to Newman, and from Newman we stayed at a free camp at Mingini Gorge, and then went to Marble Bar, and it's been just stunning. Pilbarra, beautiful colours, vibrant colours like, I don't know, we've never seen. Marvellous, wasn't it?
It was unbelievable.
Yeah, so watch this episode for colour and movement.
This is the canning stock route. Moira has been at me for this trip for ages, although we're not really going on it because we can't take caravan, but we're going to go drive down somewhere. Okay. This is the first well, number one well, water well, on the canning stock route. This is the North Pool on the canning stock route.
We've stopped in Newman. You can stay in it's actually the car park of the visitor centre. So currently looking north, and pretty much north, south, east and west there are signs of mining all around this town. It's huge. Over there, can't really see it too well with the GoPro, is the current mine, and it's just all massive and iron ore being dug up. There's tons of it on the ground, as you probably imagine. Here we are, walking through.
I think the UK's just done a free trade deal with Australia to provide them with iron ore.
Have they?
I think so.
Yeah, that looks like a golf course down there. It's weird because it looks like patchy green bits on top of the rusty iron base. But yeah, it's a strange place. Certainly beautiful country all around. That.
I won't go any further. Got to come back up.
Yeah, we're not going to climb down. That's the radio mast. We're going to visit the Ophthalmia Dam, so named because apparently Giles had a bit of something in his eye, so he called it Ophthalmia Dam. But it's probably, somebody said it was a good job he didn't have hemorrhoids or something at the time.
Excitement is our first river crossing. Right, keep a bit of speed up. Piece of cake. Okay, this is Lake Ophthalmia. Strange name for a lake.
Unless you're an optician. Apparently there are heaps of birds here. Can't see too many at this moment. A little bit overcast. But there are, what did he say? Pelicans, different water birds.
Looks like a man-made lake.
I think it's a dam.
Dam.
Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. So we're setting off to the lookout that looks through the gorge, which is terrific. It's Marangina Gorge. How you going, P? Starting to see some of the wildflowers. Bit of wattle there. Starting to look gorgeous. Thank you, Western Australia. Look at this. There's a little footpath down to the lookout. I don't know if you can see down there the gorge, and then down there the road winds its way through. It's absolutely amazing. I'm not sure you can see so much. We didn't come from Newman straight to Marble Bar because people said anything from it's atrocious to it's horrendous, and that included the police. So we got some advice from someone else. We came down to towards Port Hedland and then turned off at the Woodstock turn off. So we've only got 70k of dirt instead of 230.
Pilbarra, the hottest town in Australia. This is at the lookout.
So this is Pilbarra Pool, and the Jasper here is what they originally thought was marble, hence the name of the town. But it is actually, look at this, it's absolutely gorgeous. Patricia has a bucket ready to throw on the Jasper and make it look beautiful. Alright, it's a big decision where to throw it. Alright, so Patricia is going to throw the water on the Jasper. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my. So that's what Pilbarra is all about.
There's Maura throwing water. Look at that. That's called Jasper. And Pilbarra is called Pilbarra because I first thought it was marble. It surely looks like it. Loads of it here. It's a beautiful area.
Heading now to the Jasper deposit.
This is the Jasper deposit. Bamboo Creek. We're on our way to Coppins Gap. guess there's no words to describe this. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Hey P, you driving now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Giving a rest. We've just been to Cobbins Gap. Just a gap of rock cleaved out of the hills. And there's a little waterhole there. It's just stunning. Over there are heaps and heaps of red boulders just dropped. You can just see some of them here.
Clear? No?
So out here in the Pilbarra, just amazing. The colours, the red dirt,